Today I'm going to teach you how to cut this note into 7 parts. What? There are 7 basic terms every business owner should know. It's like the basics, जैसे चाय बनाना basic होता है. And by the end of this video, you can open your own very chai tapri, bhai. And also, if you want to learn how to make money using content, there is a free training in the description. Let's get it! The first concept you need to learn is the ICP, or the Ideal Client Profile. See, business has one simple goal. 1 mark answer bolu, so it is to solve problems for people and give the solution in exchange for money. But instead of asking yourself, what problems do I solve? You need to ask yourself, whose problems do I solve? You can't sell to everyone. You need to have a specific ICP. जैसे मेरे videos के लिए, it's a 14-year-old guy who wants to be an entrepreneur. Let me know in the comments if I'm right or wrong. तो हमारे चाय के business के लिए, who is our ICP? It would be office going individuals. Now एकदम details के साथ होना चाहिए, जैसे name, age, कहाँ रहता है, what do they do. But for this video, I'm not going to go into the details. The next concept you need to learn is the LTV, or the lifetime value. देखो, हर एक customer won't be with you for eternity. They will leave, right? That's why each and every single customer has a lifetime value for your business. Let's say मैं 10 रुपए का चाय बेच रहा हूँ and one person buys tea from me for 6 months straight. What is the lifetime value then? That is 10 into 180 days. That is 1,800 rupees. That is the lifetime value for my customer. The higher the LTV, the better the business does. Now the next concept, churn rate. मैं मिक्सर के बारे में बात नहीं कर रहा, but every single business has a churn rate. अभी चाय वाला एग्जांपल लेता हूँ. Let's say I get 100 customers every single day, and out of those 100 customers, 5 people never ever come back to my chai tapri because उनको अच्छा नहीं लगा वो. Then the churn rate becomes 5 divided by 100, that is 0.05%. अभी अगर तुम्हें ईमान जैसा बनना है, तुम्हें churn rate extremely low करना पड़ेगा and LTV extremely high करना पड़ेगा. तो ऐसा एक equation बन जाता है, lower the churn rate, higher the LTV, better the business.
अबे क्या खेल रहा है, COC?
नहीं, CAC. That means cost of acquiring customers. In business, you have to acquire customers, and to do that, you need to spend some amount of money. कितना पैसा तुम एक्वायर करने में डालते हो, that is your CAC. So to get office goers to buy chai from you, you're going to spend money on equipment, gas, the other things like the place, the stall, etc. This all falls under the CAC. And then one concept that you might have heard before, that is retainers. वापस 1 mark answer देता हूँ. The amount of money your customer gives you to retain your service. This works best in service-based businesses, but अगर तुम चाय टपरी खोलना चाहते हो, then it doesn't really matter that much. The most important concept, leads. देखो, leads are all people who are prospective customers, and leads के भी 2 type होते हैं, warm leads and cool leads. ये चाय की टाइप्स नहीं है. वार्म लीड्स आर पीपल हु नो अबाउट योर बिजनेस. जैसे चाय टपरी का एग्जांपल लिया, पीपल हु वॉक बाय योर चाय टपरी एवरी सिंगल डे. दे नो योर बिजनेस, बट दे जस्ट नॉट योर कस्टमर्स येट. एंड कोल्ड लीड्स आर पीपल हु जस्ट डोंट नो एनीथिंग अबाउट योर बिजनेस. जैसे फॉरेनर्स अगर आए, दे वॉन्ट चाय टी, उनको तुम्हारी चाय टपरी से कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता. सी वी वॉन्ट टू गेट एज मेनी पीपल एज पॉसिबल ऑन योर चाय टपरी. लेट्स से किसने चाय लिया एंड वर्ड ऑफ माउथ से उसने बोला कि भाई इसका चाय टपरी बेस्ट है, तुझे उधर जाना चाहिए. Now that person becomes a warm lead because they know about your business. Cold leads चाहिए तो तुम्हें रास्ते पे खड़े रह के बोलना पड़ेगा, भाई ये चाय पी लो. And the last concept, A/B testing. Let's say तुम्हारे पास 2 type of चाय है, वाघ बकरी और टाटा गोल्ड, and you test both of these in your own stall and you find कि भाई वाघ बकरी ज़्यादा बिक रहा है. Then what would you do? Would you still use Tata Gold? No, right? You would still use Wagh Bakri. That is called A/B testing. You just did A/B testing. It is to test out 2 different things for our customers and seeing which one responds better. जैसे I do A/B testing for my thumbnails or titles. जैसे Mr. Beast का देखा होगा. The thumbnails keep on changing, right? That is called A/B testing. Now ये 7 concepts will actually help you open your own very chai tapri. तो चलो आता हूँ मैं उधर.